guys, Dave here from Big Jeepers Garage. Today I'm going to be replacing my window seals in my Comanche. Now you can go to the junkyard and get these if you don't like the price. I will post where I purchased these. They were not very cheap, but I'm getting the inner seal and the outer seal when I purchased these online as a kit. You can go to a 4-door Cherokee in a junkyard and remove these. They will fit anywhere all the way up to 2,000. You can get them. If you're doing it on a Comanche, all you need is the front door seal off of a 4-door, because the front doors of the 4-door fits the Comanche. They're just straight replacement, all the way up to 2,000. So we're going to go ahead and get started on replacing these. Yeah, this is pretty much what we're dealing with here. This rubber is just trash, and that's going to let a lot of water down in, ruin my speakers, rust my doors. So we need to replace these seals. All right, make sure your window's all the way down. You don't want to break your window when you grab them with the pliers. All right, now just get the proper one. And this is marked, and it says WFL, window front left. There we go. All right, so that was a pretty simple fix. In the kit, this is the reason why it's so expensive. It was like $69 with shipping to get the entire kit. You could probably pick that up in the junkyard for under 20 bucks. But the kit did come with the inner seal for the inside of the window, but it requires you to remove the door panel on the inside. And I decided that since it wasn't really bad, there was no sense in replacing that seal at this time. I'll just put them on the shelf and save them in case I need it. But if I happen to take them apart and have the door panels off again, I will definitely replace those seals at that time. But for now, they're just going to go on the shelf because they're not necessary. There's not going to be any water running in. So, all right, see you next episode. Have a nice day. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, or make a comment below. Good or bad, either way works. I didn't say that very well.